In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana for beginners. We'll explore this powerful project management tool from creating an account to setting up a project and collaborating with your team. So let's get started. First, we need to head over to Asana's website to create an account. You can sign up using your email address, and once you've created your account, you have the option to either create a new workspace if you're beginning from scratch or join an existing one if you've been invited by someone else. Workspaces in Asana act as your home base for managing different projects, so make sure you choose or organize your workspace in a way that aligns with your needs. With your account and workspace ready, it's time to set up a project. After logging in, you'll find a plus new project button on the left sidebar. This is your gateway to get started on organizing tasks and workflows. Asana provides you with the flexibility to start with a blank project or use one of their predefined templates. There's a template for almost every need, whether it's task tracking, managing a to-do list, or handling more complex workflows. When setting up your project, you'll also need to decide on a view type. Asana offers two primary views: List View, where tasks are shown in a linear list format, and Board View, which presents tasks as movable cards on a digital board. Choose the view that best suits your team's working style. Once your project is established, defining project goals and milestones is a crucial step. Clear goals guide your team towards a shared objective. Break down these goals into more manageable tasks such as data analysis or roadmap creation. With well-defined tasks and deadlines, your team will have a clear understanding of what needs to be done and by when. After setting up your project, it's time to add and organize tasks. Click on plus add task to create a new task within your project. Each task can represent a specific piece of work or action item. You can further detail your tasks by adding descriptions, due dates, and any files that might be relevant. For more complex tasks, you can even create subtasks. For example, if you have a task like write blog post, it might contain subtasks like research topics or edit content. Assigning tasks is simple. You can assign tasks to specific team members by clicking on the assignee field, and it's possible to assign multiple people to a task if needed. Don't forget to set due dates for each task to help team members prioritize their work effectively. Collaboration is key to any project, and Asana excels in this area. Use the comment section within each task to communicate with your team, ask questions, and provide feedback. It's a great way to keep everyone updated on the progress. Additionally, you can attach relevant files, so everything your team needs is stored in one place. Finally, use @mentions to tag team members and direct specific queries or tasks towards them. It helps bring those discussions to their attention quickly. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on using Asana as a beginner. With these tips, you're all set to manage your projects effectively and collaborate like a pro. Thanks for watching, and happy project managing.